Hey, this is Nate from Gsxr This is a 2006 Suzuki Gsxr 600 engine that was parted out. We have parts for this bike and other bike at our website, www.usstreetbikeparts.com. If you can see in the picture, we have the clutch basket, transmission, crank, shaft, and the balance flywheel. We have a cam chain and cam chain tensioner. We have oil pump, valve cover gasket, the head, the clutch gasket, cams, oil pan, starter, coils, water pump, and a lot of other parts that are not listed or in this video. So if you want your motorcycle back on the road, we can get you riding for less. Visit our website, www.usstreetbikeparts.com, and don't forget to tell your friends about us. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.